Hello little artist. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. The saying an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Hello, little. Do you like apple? So, this video for you. At first, we draw the cutting. Next, we draw the body part of the apple. Here we draw curve to draw the apple. Lastly, we draw the leaves of the apple. Apples are a popular and nutritious fruit enjoyed worldwide. They come in various colors like red, green, and yellow. Red color. Apples are a good source of fiber and vitamin C highlights their potential health benefits. Apples can be eaten fresh, used in pies, or made into juice. Apples are amazing fruits, loved by everyone. They come in many colors like red and green, and are super good for us. They have several health benefits like fiber, which is good for our tummies, and vitamins that help keep us healthy. The saying an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are a popular and nutritious fruit enjoyed worldwide. They come in various colors like red, green, and yellow. Apples are a good source of fiber and vitamin C highlights their potential health benefits. Apples can be eaten fresh, used in pies, or made into juice. Apples are amazing fruits, loved by everyone. Green color. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artist. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker and start the drawing. Firstly, we draw a cloud. Here we draw some small semicircle to draw the cloud perfectly. We draw very carefully. Next we draw the second cloud. Using same process. One by one we draw a small semicircle to draw the cloud. time to draw rainbow. One by one we draw curved line. We draw some big curved line, like that. We start the curve drawing from first rainbow and finish it to second one. It's time to coloring. We use sky blue color to coloring the cloud. Rainbows are colorful arcs in the sky. They appear after it rains, when the sun shines. Raindrops act like tiny prisms. Sunlight passing through them splits into different colors. Blue color. The colors of a rainbow are always in the same order. That order is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. You can remember the colors with the name Roy G. Biv. Purple color. Blue color. Rainbows appear opposite the sun in the sky. They can be seen when the sun is behind you and it's raining in front of you. Yellow color. Sometimes you can see a double rainbow. A double rainbow has the colors reversed. Green color. Rainbows are a magical and beautiful sight. They make people happy and excited. Rainbows have inspired many stories and songs. They remind us that even after rain, there is beauty. Red color. Rainbows can also be seen near waterfalls or fountains. The colors of a rainbow are actually like waves. These waves have different lengths, which is why we see different colors. Rainbows are a great example of how light and water work together. Looking at a rainbow is a fun way to learn about science. Now our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Then, we draw a semicircle on the top of the page. Next we draw same semicircle under first one. Now, we draw some small circle, like that. We draw a straight line. Parallelly we draw another straight line. And we join this two with a curve. Now, we draw handle of the cup. First we draw a curve, and we draw same into it. Heart shape. Now it's time to coloring. We use yellow color on the top part of the cup. We color it very carefully. Yellow color. In the lower part, we use red color. It's a common household item, often made of ceramic, glass, or plastic. Cups come in various sizes and designs, from delicate teacups to sturdy travel mugs. People use cups for enjoying beverages like coffee, tea, water, and juice. Can also be a symbol of hospitality, offered to guests as a gesture of welcome. Red color. We use light green color in the heart shape. Here we use sky blue to color the handle of the cup. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.